course.
Yet.
Although I can tell you that we see them at home fairly frequently.
Ducks on the left, are they?
Yep.
Ducks. Alright. Flock of animals. Oh, the kangaroo I can see at the front. Oh, yeah. Little Joey.
There you go, we're going to stop here because...
Oh, look. Jumping back in the pouch.
That's Hannah.
Okay.
With a joey. And so what the joey is doing now is drinking. He just sticks his head back in and has a drink of milk.
Okay.
So hop out and we'll go for a bit of a walk around here. So there's only a couple of joeys that still get into the pouches at present, and Hannah's joey is one of them.
Okay.
And this is the first time I've been here for a couple of hours, and up until now she's just been lying down and sleeping. So they're up for the afternoon.
She's
now.
only got one?
She's only got
Yeah.
one. They only have one at a time.
Okay. One at a time.
So this joey I think is probably about 10 months old. So what happens when kangaroos are born, they're literally this big. They're just the tip of your finger. They're absolutely tiny.
Yeah.
And I can show you a photo, but but once they're born, they crawl up the fur on the outside of the pouch,
Yeah.
hop into the pouch and find a milk teat and latch on.
And it doesn't take long for them to get pregnant too, doesn't it? But maybe
The gestation period is only 36 days,
so
and then they're born.
over a month.
And then they stay inside the pouch full time for 6 months,
Okay, that's
and then they have another 6 months where they hop out and hop back in and wean. So the joey here is in that second period.
second period. Okay, 12 months roughly, but 13. Yeah. Oh, he's having some milk for lunch.
So what we can do is walk around through the bush and we'll see a lot more kangaroos just
Okay.
Okay.
here at present.
Yeah.
Then we'll come back. And we'll probably still be here. Oh, there's a bit of a growl.
Skip,
Not
skip.
too happy.
Hop, hop.
yes, they're still wild animals. If you get too close, they'll go. But with some of the big males, I wouldn't want one to come towards me.
No.
Because they're big animals. So these are Eastern Grey Kangaroos. They're an eastern because they are found on the east coast of Australia, and grey because of the colour of their fur. And they're the second largest species of kangaroo. The bigger ones are the big red kangaroos that you find in central Australia. And the males, the big males of the Eastern Greys, will grow to about 90 kilograms, and they'll live for 16 or 17 years. And the females
There's more here. Look.
Well, they've had a bit of a
There's lots of them.
rest in the middle of the day, and in an hour or so they'll start to feed again, probably. Grass. Grass, yeah. So there are 350. We have 350, and we know there's 350 because because you can see lots of them have tags and a name, a collar with a name on it. That's because these kangaroos have been studied by some academics at Melbourne University for over 10 years.
Oh.
And the program's wound back a bit at present, except they did a census just about 2 months ago. And so during the winter, about 100 of these kangaroos, mostly males, go out into the bush. So there's no fences here, nothing keeping them in. And they go out in the bush, and we think that's that's mainly the males, and we think that's they go out to the bush so they can bulk up on food. Because while there's lots of grass here, it's all short, and so it's hard. They have to work hard to get it. Whereas they go out in the bush and it's in winter and it's long grass, and they can bulk up.
Yes.
And then they come back here and have the lovely sweet green grass during summer.
So is that what keeps them here then? The fact that the golf grass is so good?
Except I think there's also a lot of kangaroos here because it's right next to natural bush.
Right.
And they're not kept in, and they can. Whoa! Oh, what's happening in there? Best to keep away, probably.
Oh, there's a big one there behind the bush.
Taking some shade. John.
This could be the boss.
That's John.
Stay away from trouble.
Yeah.
It's big. Big tail. John. Is it John? Yeah, John. Big John.
Don Johnson.
Oh, there's more. Look at the ones there.
They were fine before.
Oh, look, it's going back.
He's in.
Oh, so he's just hopped in, and there's another one feeding over here. And I've only heard of a couple of stories about kangaroos being hit by golf balls.
Really?
And it's it's more just kind of something of the body. It's not to the head.
Yeah.
So there's one over here that's drinking too, having a feed. So a lot of these females would have a joey every year, but only one at a time. And while they'll breed at any time in the year, the most frequent time is October, November. So if you think that after they're born they hop into the pouch for 6 months, we would be expecting in a month or two we'll start to see a lot of heads poking out.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Everybody's sleeping.
Yeah.
So that'll be a mother and Joey as well.
How old is the Joey before he leaves the mom?
They're out with the pouch pretty well full time when they're a bit over a year old. About a bit more.
Little ones, look. Oh, yeah, yeah. Two. Another small group here.
Are we getting off? Yep. Oh, excellent. Yeah, but
Like, what? What? What's going on?
we're going to run away.
So cute.
So you saw
Yeah, wow,
you've seen
nice.
ones like that.
Yeah.
Good
Yeah.
shot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
So that's
Baby, yeah, little.
just where it's been
Yeah.
born.
Yeah.
Oh, so small.
Yeah.
No. Oh, okay.
Beautiful day today.
Yeah, no,
Just now.
perfect day for it. Perfect day.
That was a big one.
Got scared.
Yeah.
Oh, this was a big one.
Hey, you're the big boss, huh? Big boss? Say hello to everyone on YouTube. Hello to everyone on YouTube from Australia. Skip, Community Tours Australia. What a life.
Oh, so they do get hit by golf balls, but like their tummies or something. That's okay. No. No, they're gonna get scared.
Skip.
Fall after the food. That's too much.
Don't be scared. So many of them.
Yeah, we just look like Chinese tourists, that's all.
Oh, that's a nice eucalyptus tree. It's different. Look at the bark. Camouflage.
People's homes. There's people's homes.
Alright. Let's go back in the bus.